Hello guys, welcome to Code Vedanam. Today we will learn how we can open Find Manager and choose any photo and how we can show this photo to a image view. So as you can see in this demo, just there is some problem. Let's select the image again. Okay, so now you can see the image is added in the image view. So without wasting much time, let's go for coding now. First of all, we will create the layout. So I will remove this constraint layout and add a linear layout compact. Now add gravity to center and we have to assign orientation vertical. So orientation vertical. Now we will add a image view with a width of 300 dp and the height is also 300 dp. Now add some background color so that we can identify the image view area. So I am using the gray color here. Now I'll give some ID so that we can access the image view. ID photo and just ignore this content description. Now we will add a button with height and width of wrap content and text as pick image, pick photo, and we will suppress this hard-coded string warning. Now give a ID to this button and giving us pick. So our layout is complete. Just add some margin from the top button. So margin top of 20 dp. So that's it. Now let's move to the Java code. In this project I am using view binding, and if you don't know how to use view binding, you can click on the I button and watch the video on view binding, or else you can use find view by ID method and find the views using their ID and then you can use them. So view binding is just for accessing the elements we have added in the layout file. So now create a reference for activity result launcher and its type is string. Now call the register activity for result method. The first parameter is the result contract. So contract is get content. So activity result launcher, and now we add callback. So this is the callback method which will be called after the intent is returned some result. So binding dot photo dot set image URI, and now we will set this image to the image view and pass the result here. So this will assign the image view to the selected image. Now we have to initiate this process, so we will start the activity, start this on click on the button which is pick button, just pass a on click method. So launcher dot launch, and here we just have to pass the item type. So for now I have to choose image, so I will use image slash star, and if you want to choose video then you can use video slash star here. That's it. Now let's run the application. Okay, so before running the application I'll just tell you one thing. If the app compact version in your project is 1.4.0, it's below than this, So you can update it to 1.4.0. So if you get error like activity result launcher is not found, then you can update this. Now let's wait for the application to get started. So the Gradle build is running and installing the application. So it is launched now. Just click on this button. Now file manager is opened, and you can pick the image, and the image is added to this image view. Okay. So in this way you can open the file manager and get the image content. So thanks for watching. Visit our blog. This is the URL codevedanam.blogspot.com, and if you learn something new from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Vedanam for further new videos. Thank you.